The other thing that I would hope that in this era of associative thinking, I mean, one of the great boons of the technology and what it allows us to do is it allows us to very quickly put together disparate ideas. I would hope that it would encourage us all to be creators rather than consumers. We live in a world that is really economically fueled by consumerism. And someday I hope that the people fueling the consumerism will not want us to be such passive consumers of it. We have the ability to do a lot of the creating that we buy. But there are not many people out there encouraging you to stay home and create your new business plan and your new possibility of just forging out on your own, or to write the memoir that you've been dying to write, or to learn to play piano when you're 75. That's considered frivolous. But it's not considered frivolous to go out and go shopping at the mall.